Come on in. It's from Nana and Poppy. What is it? Do you know what it is?
Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas. Very good. It's a train. Watch this. Daddy, show him how it
You
works.
want me to show you how it works? I sit down where you're
You
at.
want to see it?
Okay. This is the on. And we're going to hit the go switch.
You like that?
Yeah!
Yeah. Ooh, watch this. Oh, now what do you have to do, Daddy? You gotta flick the switch. Make the rock fall. And then that comes down there.
And then you flip
You flip the switch to tell Thomas to keep going.
All right, you ready?
Ready? Watch.
Watch the train.
Watch this. Oh, wow. That
And
was
then we'll
cool,
flip this
huh?
stop. Oh. He'll come around.
Now it goes that way.
And now he'll stop right here. And then you flip this over. Load it up.
Give him a rock so he has a
and
job
then,
to
and then
do.
Pull this and he'll go.
That's so cool. And what about his other friend?
Watch it ever. Watch it ever.
Oh!
Woohoo!
You like that?
Yeah.
You think it's cool, huh?
Yep, that's what.
Say thank you, Nana. Thank you, Poppy.
Little puppy.
Thank you, Nana.
Little man. Oh,
Say I love you.
I love you.